Now come to the main feature, which is bill. So from billing area, operator can bill. This access is reserved for operator only. The company cannot bill. The operator can bill only. So let's bill one, and you can search item by its description. So suppose search for pipe of 20 feet 2 inch. Okay, this one, and for uh, 20 feet 3 inch. Okay, this one 3, this one 5. So this was the price, and this was the total calculated price. Okay, one water tank for 15. Okay, and suppose one water pump, this one. Fine. So let's build this thing. If you click this, all will be cleared. Okay, so for bill, let's click here. This is the description, quantity, price, total price. You can add any additional charges. Okay, like the installation charges all that. You can add any discount. Okay, suppose 200 additional charges for installation and discount of 20. Okay, simple. Mm, this is the payment type. Suppose it is UPI. This is the paid amount. Let's he's paying now 20,000. Okay, so the remaining amount is 700, 100, and installation is pending. Okay, and in the remarks you can specify this at 200 for installation. Okay, here you can enter buyer details. This is optional but recommended. So first you have to enter the phone number. Suppose phone number is this. Okay, name is this. uh, Address, pin code, email address, other number. Let's make it blank, and you save this. Okay, so your bill is created. From here you can print, you can save as PDF, you can send it to WhatsApp. Let's print the bill. This is the bill. Telegram header, phone number, email ID, bill number is this is auto generated. Okay, date is this, these are the item, quantity, price, and total price. This is total, GST 0, additional charges is 200, discount 20, grand total this. And you have paid using UPI, paid amount is this, remaining amount is this, installation pending, date, info. Okay, the buyer details, this phone number, email not available, pin other not available, address is Kolkata. So in this way you can generate a bill. Now come to home. Okay, so you can generate a bill like this. Let's generate another bill. Okay, of water pump only. Okay, and pipe 5. Okay. Generate this. No additional charges, no discount. Paid amount is 100%, no remaining amount, and no info. Now this is also like the drop down box. Suppose you have I have just created one bill to Manoj Kumar with us, and let's, if you enter the same phone number, you can see that the details is showing here, the available. If you click here, it will select the name and address from the database. So if you save this, another bill will be created. Okay, so this is the billing area from where you can bill items.